All right, so here we are. Here we are now. Moved everything out of the way except for the case and the motherboard. So I guess I'm going to sort out the case bits. When I was opening it, the plexi's in here on the bottom. Could have been the top before, I don't remember. It was packaged pretty darn well. And first thing I noticed is that this is, can't see it. Well, that just stopped the video. So first thing I noticed, maybe under the light, even remotely better. Well, you can certainly see there's no shine on it compared to the plastic that's covering it. It's a gotta put the phone down, sorry guys. It's not I don't want to say finished, but it's not polished, not totally smooth. It's like a powder coat question mark. So maybe I won't have to do a shiny coat on all the components and shit that I'm going to paint. It came with all kinds of stuff. So anything that's black that I'm going to use, I'm going to paint. Feet, I'll leave these chrome, these little pegs. Chrome, whatever. I haven't seen the, what is this? Yeah, it's the PCIe riser. I actually haven't seen the extension cable for the GPU that's supposed to come with the case. Maybe it's inside somewhere, but I just kind of wanted you guys to know that the paint itself is not like a polished white. There's no shine to it at all. It's just a matte. Feels like something that might have been considered a powder at some point. That's why I'm saying powder coat. Now I'm not going to touch it anymore because maybe I should just wash my hands. And I'm going to leave the plexi just down under there. I'm going to leave it down under there. I'm not going to put a damn thing on it. It's actually got adhesive, seemingly like, I don't know, I guess you could call it like masking tape. Hopefully it doesn't leave a residue when it peels off. It's got it on both sides. It's got hard corners on it. I think some of the pictures I saw might have been rounded, but I don't remember. Anyway, it's a hard 18.5 by 18.5 inches. And I guess that's it for now. I'm going to get some more shit sorted and we'll be back.